This is my simple message to yours. Dear doctors, thank you for all you've done for us this year. You are all an exceptional and wonderful doctors. I always be grateful for your kindness, cares, and support. Thank you for your compassion you have shown, especially your expertise and dedication have been a source of comfort and strength. Now I extend my gratitude to all of you. Again, thank you, and may the Lord bless with peace and happiness to all of us. Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year. Thank you.